Hi guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I don't think I've grabbed the camera yet today because this is what our day looks like. We started out harvesting blueberries and got a couple pounds, but then there was thunder and lightning and we scurried on in like little rats into the house before it harmed us. And it's been raining on and off and thundering and lightning on and off all day, so we're sort of hiding in the dark. Now, the view you had a minute ago, let's go back. No, it changes too fast. It's dark in here, that's what we see, dark. It's darker than it shows on camera, it keeps making it brighter. Anyway, it's dark in here. So we're hiding in our dark little chalet and trying to keep ourselves entertained. I'm working on DIY tube video community, improving things, because there's nothing outdoors that we can do because of the lightning. They say if you can hear thunder, it's already dangerous, and we did, and we had Michelle with us, so we decided to just leave it at that, and there's been thunder all day. So we'll see what happens here, but the land is definitely recovering now from the intense heat and dry spell we had all that time. Not getting a lot done outside in the property recently though, but it's definitely good for the plants. And all that chicken manure I put in is going to be soaking in to the roots of those vegetables and giving them new life and energy. And that's a good thing. By the way, no solar power. That's why we sit here in the dark. There's no power at all. Wow guys, look at that. Just a couple minutes later, it is coming down hard. I wish we had cisterns now because all of our containers are filled. We can't use the water fast enough now. Of course, now we don't need it for gardening. All of our containers are filled up. Wow. It's hard for me to see this water coming down and not have a way to save it and use it when we had such a long drought. You know, they say the Lord has a sense of humor, right? And they say if you pray something, you should pray specifically and you get what you asked for. Well, we prayed for rain. We prayed for weeks and months for rain, but we didn't specify how much. And now it's been raining for days and days and days and days on end. And I have to just laugh. That's all I'm saying. I just gotta laugh. I'm afraid to pray against the rain now because I don't want to go back into a drought. I'm just gonna leave it be and take what comes. But it sure is raining. It's been thunder and lightning on and off all day, just non-stop. I've got projects like I started and haven't finished, and things and tools and equipment in the middle of the yard when I was mulching, and it just hasn't stopped. You know, right now there's no lightning at this moment, but there has been thunder and lightning all day on and off, and it just hasn't stopped raining at all. So I've been working on DIY tube video community extensively, and we fixed a bug that was bothering me forever. Now you can log in and stay logged in for I don't know if it's 24 hours or indefinite, but I'm working with another programmer, so that's very good news. The login time wasn't very long. We're doing some other nice improvements, so really great. And again, that's where my electronics channel lives now, fully, is DIYtube.video. So if you want to check that out and see what's been going on in the electronics lab, the fully off-grid electronics lab. I've been talking about the property lines and stuff too, and working with different agencies. So it may be that my sheds will be able to remain depending on if I can get an exemption from town for being too close to the neighbor's land, if it comes to that. But I can't see the neighbor wanting to own part of the road and losing 50 feet of their land over here behind them. So I just can't see them wanting to stick with that. So it wouldn't make sense. Sure, it's not going to increase their land value. That's not good for them. Anyway, we'll see what goes on. We're all in good mood here anyway, and enjoying some family time and some work in the house. So we'll keep you updated if anything exciting happens here. Mom and Dad are up at the cabin and said it wasn't raining, though we had that heavy downpour when I recorded a minute ago. So maybe we'll go over there for some nicer weather. Talk to y'all later, see what comes.